Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is a video number 20. So in this video, we will learn left, right and mid function in Excel. So let's start. So you can see the left, right and mid function in Excel help to extract the specific part of the text from a cell. The left function takes the characters from the beginning of the text. So here in this data, in first column have a name list, the first name, okay, Rajesh Kumar. Okay, so I select the cell, use the is equal to and enter here the left function and select the cell, use the comma. Now here I'm going to extract the three character from this name. So I just enter here three number, bracket close and enter. You can see the three characters is extracted. Again, I double click on it and enter here the four character. Okay. Now you can see the four character is extracted. Now I select the cell and drag the formula below the cell and here you can see extract the text from the beginning of the cell. Okay. So that's it. So next, right function. The right function extract the text from the end of the cell. Okay, so here I select the cell, use the is equal to and enter here the right. Okay, then select the text, use the comma and I enter here 5. Okay, 5 character going to extract from this name. Okay, I just enter and here you can see. Okay, end of cell is 5 character is Kumar. Okay, I'll just select it and drag the formula below the cell and enter here the right. Okay, that's it. Okay. Next, mid function. The mid function extract the text from the middle of cell starting from the position you choose. Okay. So I select the cell, use the is equal to, enter here the mid. Then select the text, use the comma and enter here the 4. Okay. Then enter here 2. Okay. So start from 4 characters. So Rajesh 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it start from E and I want two only characters. So E as will get the answer. Here you see E as, same as I select the cell and drag the below formula. Okay. So that's it. I just enter here the mid and it's done. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.